What's up, my traveling fools? It's your favorite fools here, Nick and Lana, with a brand new adventure. Rock City Gardens, Lookout Mountain, Georgia, like you've never seen it before. Here's some clips from our recent trip to Rock City. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll give you a couple of little tidbits here and there as the video progresses. Tickets are about $27 for adults, $17 for kids. I highly recommend that you get there as soon as they open, which I believe is 8:30 in the morning. This place gets crowded. I mean, Disney World, Buc-ee's crowded. A good bit of the park is very narrow, so when it gets crowded, you have to wait and stop. You want to take pictures. You really want to take your time and soak it all in. There's just so much to see here. You can go back through once you're done. It ends at the gift shop, exactly where it starts.
Mira, señor.
You're not even pulling on, Nick.
I'm not doing anything. I'm working my abs out right now. It's all cool. Look at that statue.
One of the main attractions of Rock City is the swinging bridge, and this thing really does swing, especially with all the people that were on it that day. It was rocking back and forth. I mean, it really was like a full ab workout, just standing on it without holding on to anything so I could hold on to the camera. So be warned, that thing really does move. There's a little cafe slash restaurant near the Seven States Monument. You may want to stop there and get something to eat.
Hey.
Documented all on my little GoPro and it played a little tune, ain't got that.
Hey, my man. Wait, I'm sideways now.
He's sideways right through this part.
For all my parents out there that made it through barely holding on with their sanity, there is good news. At the end of the trail, there is a really great wine tasting section right before you get to the main gift shop. The wine is really good. It's local. Me and my wife stopped there and had a few little cocktails, and it really capped the day off, made our whole experience just really, really memorable. So I highly recommend you take a little stop and wet your whistle after going through the whole park.